People save hundreds of contacts and later don't remember who is who. Numbers without names, duplicates, old delivery agents, old offices, their contact list becomes useless when they actually need someone. You can organize it once for them, merge duplicates, add proper names, add tags like electrician, doctor, office, school, and remove unnecessary numbers. Post in community groups. I organize your phone contacts so you can actually find people when needed. Charge $10 to $30 per phone. Just 20 people, $200 to $600. Simple work, real value clarity people notice immediately. Comment if your contacts list is messy, share with someone who needs organization help, and follow for more business ideas.